Welcome back, everybody. Got something special for you today. I'm going to show you how I make my morning smoothies every day. So to my left I have some chia seeds, flax seeds, coconut flakes, almond milk, yogurt. I have alternative yogurt. I got some banana. I have some almond milk, both sweetened and unsweetened. I like to use both. Protein powder and frozen fruit. So I start off in the morning. Make my wife some tea. So I'm going to show you how I do that. Some hot water. That's how you clean it out. You're gonna get a tea bag. You're making a larger pot for multiple people. You're gonna put 2 tea bags, but for just one person. And we're gonna put the lid on that and let it brew. And maybe we'll get out a nice mug for her. This handcrafted mug that she bought. Somebody made. It's really nice. So now let's get this smoothie going. We're gonna put 1 cup of sweetened almond milk. I'm gonna put 1 cup of sweetened almond milk. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. This is for 2 servings. If you want to make a larger serving, you're gonna need a little bit more. 1 banana. About 1 cup of frozen fruit. You're gonna need olive yogurt. I prefer dairy-free because I am lactose intolerant. This last little bit, I like to eat it with a spoon. Delicious. Oh my goodness. Okay. About 1 tablespoon. Chia. 2 tablespoons of flaxseed ground up. 1. And 2. About a tablespoon of coconut flakes. These are unsweetened coconut flakes. Okay. And the last thing, last but not least, the protein. It's going to help with feeling full throughout the day. And it's a vanilla flavor, so it's going to absorb whatever flavors you put into the protein. I like to put 2.5 scoops. Very important in your smoothie that you put the liquids first, and then put the dry ingredients. Let me say that one more time. The liquids first, and then the dry ingredients, so that your blender is a little bit luckier and it doesn't struggle. Okay? So I'm very lucky that this blender has a smoothie setting. It takes about 45 seconds. I turn it on, and I'll put you in a better angle to watch it. nice servings for my wife and I. Let's pour this in here. And let's finish up on that tea. Now I told you that tea was a black tea. I did not tell you that yet, but I'm going to tell you now. It's a black tea. Pour it from the kettle. Almost to the top. Leave a little space. Pour some lavender milk for my wife. You should have a nice little brown color. So there you have it. Coach Estrada's morning routine. I like to make really good smoothies, really good tea for my wife, and then I like to teach my students. And I really hope you have a great summer and you take care of all the great things that you're supposed to take care of at home. You know, your chores, you know, you're working out 2 to 3 times a day, or hopefully 5 days a week minimum. Listen to your parents. When you go back to school next year, it's going to be different. So just go back with an open mind, an open heart, an open brain, and try your best, okay? It's going to be different, but it's not going to be bad. It's going to be different. But you can make the best of it, and you can learn as much as you can so that you can be the future of America and the world. All right, I'll see you soon. Take care.